Here's the other thing about the pandemic that you must know. The virus is targeting the young too. Look at Brazil. It has more young people in ICUs than old. As for vaccines, Brazil relied on the Chinese vaccine. Now, China's own regulator says their vaccines are not very effective. In 1 out of 2 cases, the Chinese shot may not even work, 50% efficacy. 70 countries have embraced Chinese vaccines so far, and China is not going to ask these countries to ditch the shot. So it has come up with an idea to keep its vaccines in play. We're talking about vaccine cocktails. China wants to mix 2 different vaccines. Can one person be given 2 different shots? Our next report explores the possibilities.
Brazil's healthcare system has collapsed. The surge in Wuhan virus cases has gone out of control. This Sunday, Brazil recorded more than 1,800 deaths. The total death toll so far is over 353,000. Latin America's biggest country now has the second highest death toll in the world. And the youth is the prime target of the deadly Brazilian variant. According to a study, there are now more young people in ICUs than old. Last month, the number of patients under 40 in intensive care surpassed the old. More than 11,000 people less than 39 years of age are now in ICUs. That is 52.2% of the total patients. Brazil was banking on Sinovac, a Chinese vaccine to pull the country out of its pandemic crisis, but those hopes were dashed over the weekend. A local study found that this shot has an efficacy of just 50.7%. That's barely over the 50% threshold needed for a regulatory approval by the World Health Organization or WHO. After months of silence, China, just for a short while, also admitted that its vaccines are not good enough. The top disease control official of China, Gao Fu, said current Chinese vaccines offer lower protection. But on Monday, he walked back from this statement. And the state media went into an overdrive to defend the Chinese shots. Reports say China is now considering mixing 2 different vaccines to boost their power. The idea is not new. There are others who are exploring this possibility. The United Kingdom is conducting a trial to check if one person can get 2 doses of different vaccines. In France, the health regulator has already allowed mixing of vaccine shots. Those under the age of 55 who received the AstraZeneca vaccine first can take either the Pfizer or Moderna jab for their second dose. Germany is following a similar policy. Health experts generally agree that mixing vaccines should not be a problem. It is an approach that has been tried before with influenza and Ebola shots, but scientists need more data to be sure if different Wuhan virus vaccines can indeed work together. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.